Good morning. I found this paper, last year paper on ClearIAS.com website. So I'm very thankful to them. Now, this is a scanned copy of a physical paper in the PDF format. And I want to create an online quiz out of it so that I can share it to my students on WhatsApp and email. But the problem is, obviously, the PDF is not very clean. I cannot do cut pasting, and even if it's clean PDF, then cut pasting and copying and redrawing of images is a big challenge. And uh, if it's multilingual, then the problem uh, gets even bigger. So I'm going to talk about a solution which is helping me pretty good right now is pdfmock.com, which converts any existing MCQ PDF question paper into online quizzes in minutes without doing any cut, copying, pasting, or image manipulation, or without caring about language, etc. etc. It's way better than all the application which I have used in the past. So if you're the first time user, you can register yourself by writing your organization name and address, your name as teacher, your email ID, and click on the plus sign. And you can have multiple teachers under the same organization. And once you click on the save button, all the teacher associated with this organization will have an instant access, so they don't have to wait on for approval, etc. So since I already have an access, so I click on the login button and type my email ID and OTP to come to this page, which is a dashboard. And these are the tests I have created. And you have two section: my test and my batches. And by clicking on the create test, you are going to start creating the test. So let me bring up the PDF which we are just looking at. PDFs are the great way to store content and move content, but also it's very stubborn because it's very difficult to operate with. Especially a PDF like this is a nightmare, which is a scan copy of a physical book. So this is the PDF we got from clearias.com. And this is the first question. It has four options. So the question number one, it is a single choice correct question. So it is correct, ticked here. You can also do multiple correct and fill in the blanks. So all three of them will take you uh, through any kind of objective questions. If it's a true false, or even if it's assertion reasoning, you can do it with them. Marking scheme is very flexible. You can have decimal values, fraction values, whatever you want. Suppose for correct answer you want to keep 2 or 3, or for incorrect -1, you can do that. And you can click on the add. As soon as you click on the add, you have a crosshair coming. You take the crosshair adjacent to each of these choices for the question number one, and click on adjacent to them, so that you create interactivity. And suppose I don't know the real answer, suppose second option is correct for the question number one, double click it, make it blue, and you save it. So the first question is done. Similarly, you go ahead and do the second question, and take the crosshair adjacent to each of these choices for second question, and you click on this. And suppose the fourth option is correct, so you click on make it blue, and uh, do the save button. So the second question is also done. One precaution you have to take is that if you use laptop or desktop, this test can be created very fast and nice. Even though you can operate pdfmock.com through the mobile, but it's advisable to use your laptop, because you have a bigger screen, you have a more a wider space to play with, and it really helps to make a very clean test. So I'm not going to do all the mapping of all the questions here, but you got the idea. And once you are done, you click on the save test, and you can write the uh, title. And if you have a more description to write, You can right here, and you can put the duration also. Suppose it's 180 minutes, so you can put duration in minutes. So right now it's showing 2 questions, 6 marks. Because of this, you can go ahead and add all the questions, which will hardly take 45 minutes to make it happen. The cool thing is you can add a solution file to it, so that when a student has taken the test, they will receive this solution file, so that they know what is the explanation of all the wrong answers. You don't have to send them separately. And you click on the save button. After clicking on the save button, you are directed to the dashboard, where you can schedule this test and manage the test, and view all the reports. So since the file is really, I think, big, so it's taking a bit of time. So let's wait for the file to be uploaded there. So PDFs are great way to carry the content, but like I said, it's very very stubborn also. So now you can see on the dashboard, only 2 questions are there. You can go back to the control panel by clicking on the edit button here. You can delete that this test online test from here. You can send it to your peers and colleagues through typing their mail and searching their profile, and then sharing it. This is very helpful when you have a junior staff or a data entry operator who can create tests for you, and you can manage it from there. Now I'm going to schedule it. Schedule is very simple. Two modes are there. One is close ended, the other one is open ended. Close ended means a particular date and time you want to conduct this test. Open ended means you have the starting time but no ending time. And you can select the student batches which you have created from my best section. These are the internal database that you have. In case you want to have this test taken by any student, even without in your database, you can allow external user, and you can schedule it. After you hit the schedule button, your test is ready to be shared on WhatsApp group or Telegram channel or through the mails. You can click copy test URL and share it to the students. And so this is how it's done. You have seen just now how easy you can convert any PDF question paper or a Word document into an online quiz without doing any cut, paste, etc. And student can take the test on mobile very easily, and it saves a lot of time for me. And it's better, way better than other application that I used to have. But now I've switched to pdfmark.com. Hopefully it will be useful to you. So try it and share your feedback. Thank you.